Hello friends, welcome back to Simplified Living. Mother's Day is around the corner, so today we have brought a very special Mother's Day activity for all the lovely mothers and their kids out there. This is a pretty easy and fun activity that will strengthen the bond between you and your kids even more. This activity will help you spend some quality time with your children and will become a lifetime memory for you both. It can be done with almost any age group of kids. For this activity, you will only need some colored sheets of paper. We have taken total 8 sheets with 2 sheets in the same color. Now my daughter and I will be tracing our hands on 4 sheets each, and we will be cutting around the outlines. If you are doing this with a very young child, you can do the cutting yourself for them. Now both of us will write down the things that we love doing with each other. For young children, just help them draw lines or whatever they can write with a colored pencil or crayon. Now we're gonna decorate these. Now we're gonna glue these together in a circular motion. You can glue a picture of the both of you in the middle and you're done. Enjoy doing this activity with your kids this Mother's Day. I'm sure you and your kids gonna love it and it's gonna be a day to remember. Happy Mother's Day to all the lovely moms out there. Lots of love. Bye.